Hi, I'm Emrys Williams. I'm a painter and also an art lecturer. And I'm one of the lead artists on the FreeHaus Art School scheme. So it's exciting to be here on the first day. We're just beginning to install artists, find spaces and talk about the project. The FreeHaus building is an exciting building in Llandudno. It's kind of stripped back to the bare brick. It's got a great sense of sort of volume and space and scale really, and I think for artists it's very, very stimulating. There's fantastic views of Llandudno. There's kind of spaces that are almost like gallery spaces, and obviously we'll be using it both as an art school and as an installation space for the final show Llandudno that we're going to do at the end of September when the Llan Festival's on. Well, I'm hoping that, I think it's possibly the first free art school that's been run in Wales. We've got basically 9 artists in residence, 6 fellows and 6 associates. They come from a real broad range of the art sector, from recent graduates, people that are very established, working in all kinds of different disciplines, which includes painting, sculpture, installation, video, photography. So I think it's going to be a really interesting mix in terms of the artists working here, but also a very exciting thing for Llandudno in that it's going to be a fully running art school and anybody can come in here. If you're interested in art, if you've always wanted to do something, whether you're a beginner or whether you make work and want a stimulating environment, I'm hoping it'll be a real kind of art community and do something unique that hasn't been done in Wales before, which is really, really exciting. And I think given that we've got such a good building in a fantastic location with a lot of talented people involved, I think we could really do something unique as part of the project.